my team and I are going to talk about stem cells. Recent years, you may have seen your loved ones are experiencing from severe skin burns and blood cancer, which need regenerative therapy for solving those problems. Stem cells offer a best solution for these issues. So, what exactly a stem cells are? Stem cells are master cells of our body, which has a unique ability of self-renewal and differentiation. It can change into different types of cells in our body. So, where we can culture these stem cells? We can culture these stem cells from two parts from our body, from embryonic stage and from bone marrow. So here I display the stages of embryo: zygote, morula, cell dividing, blastocyst. In the stage of blastocyst, we will derive the stem cells, which has the potency called totipotency. We can make up the whole embryo. From embryonic stage, we can also derive from placenta or umbilical cord. Here, the stem cells have the potency called pluripotency. It cannot make up the whole embryo, but even though it can change into different types of cells in our body. And another from is from bone marrow. Bone marrow has the potency of totipotency. Now, my friend Sindhu is going to explain about uses and importance of stem cells.
Stem cells are not just scientifically fantastic, they are medically powerful. Here are few examples of stem cells. Treating blood disorders like blood cancer through bone marrow transplantation. It repairs damaged tissue including heart muscle after a heart attack. Helps in treating burns through skin regeneration. Providing valuable models for studying diseases such as diabetes. With Anahi, researchers hope that one day stem cell would lead to help to cure spinal cord disease, blindness and some type of cancer.
Stem cell bank is a facility where cord blood cells from a newborn individual is collected and processed and stored under extremely controlled conditions. These preserved cord blood cells are useful for further many more decades and further medical treatments for their personal use. It is also useful for research and clinical trials, also for donor transplantation. There are two major types of stem cell banks, namely public bank and private bank. Public bank, in which cord blood cells are stored and available for people around worldwide. In case of private bank, families store their cord blood cells for their personal use.
Not only in this modern medicine, our ancestors also used this amplet or known as diet for curing the infections and diseases in our body. Even there doesn't know the scientific reasons of the stem cells. Now we are using the stem cells. To conclude that stem cells is not a